म यहाँ हुनुको कारण तिमी नै हौ अथवा तिम्रै कारणले म यहाँ छु You are the reason I am here. You are the reason I am here. R-E-A-S-O-N Reason Reason को अर्थ कारण You are the reason I am here. म फर्केर आउनुको कारण तिमी नै हौ अथवा तिम्रै कारणले म फर्केर आएको हुँ You are the reason I have come back. You are the reason I have come back. मैले तिमीलाई बुझाउन सकिन I couldn't make you understand. I couldn't make you understand. तिमी मेरो लागि सबै थोक हौ अथवा सबै कुरा हौ You are everything to me. You are everything to me. मलाई पनि तिमी सँगै लैजाऊ Take me with you. Take me with you. किनकि म तिमीसँग जान चाहन्छु I want to go with you. I want to go with you. म तिमीलाई केही भन्न चाहन्छु I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. अब हामी भन्छौ नि केही भन्न जान्छु तर जे कुरा भन्छु त्यो चाहिँ हामी दुईजना बीच नै रहनु पर्छ अब त्यो वाक्य हेरौं त म तिमीलाई जे भन्न चाहन्छु त्यो हामी बीच रहनु पर्छ What I want to tell you about must remain between us. What I want to tell you about must remain between us. Between us भनेको हामी बीच. What I want to tell you about must remain between us. तिमीले मलाई वाचा गर्नु पर्छ. You have to promise me. You have to promise me. म यो अरु कसैलाई थाहा होस् भन्ने चाहन्न. I don't want anyone else to know this. I don't want anyone else to know this. Anyone else, अरु कोही. तपाई हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel your place to learn English आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण सधैं चाहिने अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरुको हामी अभ्यास गर्ने छौं Are you ready? कसैले मेरो विरुद्ध षड्यन्त्र गरिरहेको छ Someone is conspiring against me. Someone is conspiring against me. Conspire against someone. कसैको विरुद्ध षड्यन्त्र गर्नु. Someone is conspiring against me. मलाई राम्रो लागिरहेको छैन. I am not feeling good. I am not feeling good. भित्तामा कसले तस्बिर टाँस्यो? Who hung the picture on the wall? Who hung the picture on the wall? Picture photo अथवा तस्बिर. Who hung the picture on the wall? अब यो हेरौं. यो सीताले नै गरेको हुनुपर्छ. This must have been done by Sita. This must have been done by Sita. म यसको बारेमा पक्का छैन. I am not sure about it. I am not sure about it. यो उल्टो राखिएको छ. It is placed upside down. It is placed upside down. Upside down, उल्टो. It is placed upside down. तिमी यहाँ कति बेलासम्म अथवा कति समयसम्म हुन्छौ? How long will you be here? How long will you be here? तिमी भोलि जाँदैछौ भन्ने सुने. I heard you are leaving tomorrow. I heard you are leaving tomorrow. के यो कुरा सत्य हो? Is it true? Is it true? True, satya. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. यो channel मात्र होइन, हाम्रो online class YouTube channel लाई पनि subscribe गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. दुईटै channel को subscribe को छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनको लागि. म यहाँ 2 घण्टासम्म हुन्छु. I will be here for 2 hours. I will be here for 2 hours. म यहाँबाट निस्कनै लागिरहेको हो. I'm just getting out of here. I'm just getting out of here. मलाई अझै केही समय अथवा बेर लाग्छ. It will take me some more time. It will take me some more time. तिमी अझै केही दिन यहाँ बस्न मिल्दैन र? Can't you stay here for a few more days? Can't you stay here for a few more days? तिमी अझै केही दिन यहाँ बस्नु पर्छ. You must stay here a few more days. You must stay here a few more days. बसमा जाँदा त्यहाँ पुग्न कति समय लाग्छ? How long does it take to get there by bus? How long does it take to get there by bus? उत्तरमा बसमा 5 घण्टा भन्दा बढी समय लाग्छ. It takes more than 5 hours by bus. It takes more than 5 hours by bus. ऊ कहाँ गयो तिमीलाई थाहा छ? Do you know where he went? Do you know where he went? मलाई यसबारे केही थाहा छैन. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it. म यहाँ बस्न चाहन्न. I don't want to stay here. I don't want to stay here. म तुरुन्तै जान चाहन्छु. I want to go right away. I want to go right away. कहाँ? म अब घर जान चाहन्छु. I want to go home now. I want to go home now. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला. तिमीले पहिले आफ्नो काम पूरा गर्नु पर्छ. You have to finish your work first. You have to finish your work first. त्यसपछि तिमी जहाँ गए पनि हुन्छ. Then you can go wherever you like. Then you can go wherever you like. यो काम सिद्ध्याउन तिमीलाई किन धेरै समय लागिरहेको छ? Why is it taking you so long to complete this work? Why is it taking you so long to complete this work? चाँडो गर नत्र हामी ढिलो हुनेछौं. Hurry up or else we will be late. Hurry up or else we will be late. मान्छेलाई सहयोग गर्दा मलाई राम्रो लाग्छ. I feel good when I help people. I feel good when I help people. हामीले गरिब दुखी मानिसहरूलाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्छ. We must help needy people. We must help needy people. गरिब दुखी मान्छेहरूलाई सहयोग गरौँ. Let's help the needy people. Let's help the needy people. आजलाई यति नै. Have a good day and take care.